Lenovo Ideacentre 700, 24-inch. It's got some good HDMI port and some USBs at the back of the computer. Got a 6th Gen i5 processor. Here it is, here's the specs loading up. It's a Skylake, it's 4 threads, and it's got 4 threads, 4 cores, just going up to the memory, and it's 16GB DDR4. You can buy them from any electronics store really cheap. 2GB graphics card, and it does everything. You can load 3 different programs at once. See, it handles anything. Here it is, we'll just go into YouTube. I swear by these machines, they're touchscreen, they're really good, and if you subscribe you can find my other videos of how to install Windows 10 or 11 for free, legally. Thank you, bye.